Challenge Suite 3 focuses on the demonstration of multi-scale, multi-sectoral and multi-actor interventions targeting systemic climate change adaptation in regions highly exposed to climate change impacts. These are municipality of Sitia in eastern Crete, Castilla y León in Spain, Nordic Archipelago and Troodos in Cyprus. Sitia, located in eastern side of Crete, is exposed to persisting thermal droughts and extreme events as the major floods of 2019 and 2023. Sitia has a unique natural heritage landscape, the Sitia UNESCO Geopark, where a natural lighthouse resilience area. So far, we have implemented more than 8 educational activities in 3 geopark locations with the participation of more than 150 young children and their teachers discussing the role of climate on the formation of the geopark, impacts of climate change on local flora species of the area, the water cycle and what tangible actions they can do to protect it. Sitia municipality, within R4C scope, has implemented a series of actions to increase the climate resilience of local population and especially vulnerable groups. Through the project, Sitia municipality managed to overcome many challenges, mainly associated with national legislation and the difficult accessibility of the area. But most importantly, it managed to increase the awareness of local population to climate change and engage them in the implementation of the actions.
For us, it's critical to face the new scenarios with the climate change of the water scarcity, soil loss and the fertility problems. And on the other hand, we need to create new opportunities for the young people to stay in our region and don't live to other ones. We want to create a new business model based basically on agriculture. We are constructing a new greenhouse production systems, which we want to make it more sustainable. We are implementing some innovation in the greenhouses. For instance, we want to increase the CO2 levels inside the greenhouses so we can increase the production of the crops. We want to also diversify the crops production and make more efficiency use of the resources and also apply circular economy principles to manage the waste. Also, we want to document all this process so we can create the new business model and share with stakeholders. And also we want to document this and create new training material to share with the professional training center so we can share this knowledge with the new generation of farmers.
Our strategic plan for the Troodos region is divided into several pillars. So we are working on the use of renewable energy. We are working a lot on regenerative tourism as a way and as a tool of minimizing the use of energy and creating sustainable communities. We are involved a lot in the education of the whole communities regarding climate change. People have to understand and be aware that it's something which affects all of us and we have to start acting now and not in the future. So a lot of investment and the time is going into educational and awareness tools. And we are also doing some pilot projects which are going to help other places to develop in the same way. So one of the big projects we are doing is to create a fully sustainable small hotel, which is going to be sustainable in terms of renewable energy, but also use its own resources for creating the food for the people who are staying in it. So this is going to be a concept which will take the results and the impact of the project and then see how we can replicate it into other areas and to the other places of accommodation in the rural areas. Another big project is focused on mobility. We have a huge problem with the mobility in the mountains because they are not connected between them. Also, there is a lack of trustworthy transportation, and we would like to change a little bit the culture of the people and the culture of the tourists, that they can use alternative ways of moving around.
What's your favorite part of the Regions for Climate project?
I would say that the most nice thing in the project is that there are so many partners and so diverse competencies in the project, that then that is the richness of the project, because we can then really share the ideas. We have 12 different regions, and then they are really all over the Europe area, and then seeing the challenges and the solutions from different areas are giving inspiration also for us. And then hopefully we are also providing, because thinking about the span of the regions, it's from the south to north and then east to west, so it's really different kind of areas which are providing really a lot of versatile then approaches for these problems to solve them.